Hello students, welcome to MJC Learning. Today I'm going to teach you bookkeeping and accountancy. The topic for today is dissolution of partnership firm. Students, in earlier two videos we have seen what do you mean by dissolution and how the dissolution take place. Again I'll repeat only some words. Dissolution means closing down the business. Close मतलब बच्चों business बंद हो रहा है. Business जब बंद होगा हर बंदा अपना अपना पैसा मांगेगा. Am I correct? So to give them back the money, what you are supposed to do, you have to sell all your assets, pay off all the liabilities, and whatever cash is left out, the partners will take away. Okay, that was just a brief introduction about it. Now let's start with the problem number 1 from a government textbook, which is on the page number 244. Ganesh and Karthik were partners sharing profit and loss equally. See बच्चों, इस बार partner profit sharing ratio is equally. Okay. They decided to dissolve the firm on 31st March 2018. The balance sheet was as under. The balance sheet is on 31st March 2018. Liability side and asset side, you have creditors, bills payable. Yes, you have general reserve, capital account of Ganesh and Karthik, building, furniture, debtors, stock, bill receivable, cash. All assets were realized. Realized मतलब you get the money after selling it. Building 82,000, debtors 22,000, stock 20,000, bill receivable 3,200. And Ganesh agreed to take over furniture. See, Ganesh is taking the furniture at his home. उसको लगा बहुत अच्छी चीज है, मेरे घर में काम आ जाएगी, तो गणेश उसका वैल्यू देके घर ले जाते हैं. Realization expenses amounted to rupees 2,000. Show realization account, partners capital account, and cash account. Now, see students, in dissolution of partnership firm, what are we supposed to do? You know, we have some steps which we have to follow. The first step is transfer all the assets except cash to realization account. So, building, furniture, debtors, stock, bill receivable, all will be transferred to the realization account. So, I'll write here to sundry assets. Okay, now students, what was the asset? Tell me. The asset was building, furniture, debtors, yes, debtors, stock, and bill receivable. Okay students, so first what are we doing? We are transferring all the assets to the realization account. Yes, what was the amount of building? 88,000. Now let's see from the question. It is 88,000, 12,000, 32,000, 24,000 and 4,000. I'm just going to copy it. Students, we are not doing any changes. We are just copying the balances. Okay. 88,000, then this was 12,000, 32,000, 24,000 and 4,000. Now you are going to do the totaling of it. The total will come here. I'm using a calculator. You are not allowed to use it, but okay. Just to show you how the figures comes away, I'm doing it. 88,000 plus 12,000 plus 32,000 plus 24,000 plus 4,000. See, what is your total? The total comes to 1,60,000. So you are going to write here 1,60,000. Okay, you have transferred all the assets. In asset column, only one thing is remaining, that is your cash. Cash you are going to write in the cash account. Okay, bachcho. So in cash account, you are going to write it. So you are going to make 3 accounts: realization account, partners capital account, and cash account. So in cash account you are going to write to balance brought down. What was the cash amount? How much cash you have brought down? 4,000. So I'm writing here 4,000. So by this we have completed the posting of asset side. Now come to the liability side. Liability side, you have only two items, creditors and bills payable. So this will go on the balance sheet, credits, realization account, credit side. So you're going to write here by creditors and by bills payable. Okay, so I'm going to write here by creditors. Okay, what is the amount of the creditors? 18,400. Then I'll write by bills payable. What is the amount of bills payable? Is 5,600. Okay, so I'm just copied. See, I'm just doing the posting of the balance sheet. Remember it, bacho, we have not done anything. We're just doing the posting of it. And as earlier also in admission I have told you, balance sheet will have one effect and adjustment will have two effects. Now for general reserve 2000, again reserve is what? Is the balance profit. It will be distributed among two partners, and then capital account will go in the capital by balance carried down. Chalo, come on, let's do that. Yes, so here we are going to have by balance brought down. Yes, yeah, partners capital, you have to write the name of a partners. Remember it, bacho, hamesha. Partners capital, you will always have a name. Ganesh account and Karthik account. Okay, same way here. Ganesh, Karthik. Okay. So what is the Ganesh and Karthik balance? So we have seen it. It is 40,000 and 80,000. Okay. And then you had general reserve, which has to be divided between both the partners. Yes, general reserve, it has to be divided in both the partners equally. See, it is 20,000 equally. 20,000 को equally divide करेंगे तो कितना आएगा? 10,000 and 10,000. Okay, so by this we have completed the posting of your balance sheet. Now we'll come to the second part. Second part is what? The assets were realized. Realized matlab money is coming in. We are selling building, you're getting 82,000. Debtors had given you 22,000. Stock has, after selling the stock, you're getting 20,000. Bill receivable has given you 32,000. So again, now see what is going to happen. This entry will come in realization, but you are going to write here by cash. The money comes in. So you write here by cash account. Okay. Now, you can directly write the amount, but for my totaling purpose, I'll write it by building. Yeah. How much the building is giving you? 82,000. How much debtors have given you? Yes, debtors have given you 22,000. Stock, after selling the stock in the market, you're getting the money is 20,000, and bills receivable. And bill receivable, people are giving you 3,200. So this is the money which you are getting it after selling everything in the market. So now you're going to do the totaling of it. Okay. So what will be the totaling of it? 82,000 plus 22,000 plus 20,000 plus 3,200. So what is your total? 1,27,200. So you are going to write here 1,27,200. Okay. Now iska second effect, debit, what comes here? So You are going to write in cash account. What are you going to write in the cash? See, money comes in, so that's why it will come here too. There we have written in buy, so it will come here too. To realization account. How much money you have got it from realization? 1,27,200. Okay, bachcho. So this is completed. So you have realized, building realized, debtor realized, stock realized, bill receivable. Ganesh agreed to take over the furniture. See, Ganesh is taking a furniture with him. So what is happening in realization account? You are going to write. See what is happening now. The house for all the assets and liabilities realization. So you're going to write here by Ganesh capital account. Okay. So Ganesh is taking the furniture for rupees 10,000. See, you're not going to write the name of an asset. You're just going to write by Ganesh. Here it is in by. So in Ganesh capital account, it will come as 2. To realize. See, if partner takes something from the business, it will be written on the debit side, and if he gives something to the business, it comes on the credit side. Okay. Yes, understanding it, bacho? Okay. Now let's go for the next item. What is the next item in the balance question? Question said realization expenses amounted to rupees 2,000. Now see expenses on realization. Expenses मतलब खर्चा हो गया. खर्चा मतलब पैसा गया. पैसा गया तो एंट्री क्या आती है? Realization account debit to cash account. So you're going to write here to cash account. How much is the realization expenses? 2,000. Okay. If you want, you can write here in the bracket realization expenses and close the bracket. Okay. So this 2,000 is the realization. So if in the realization it is coming in the debit side, so in cash account it will come on the credit side. You're going to write here by realization account. Okay. How much is the expenses? 2,000. Now see, everything is over now. Remember students, we are very good businessmen. You know, if the asset is not realized, that's okay. But we will pay off of our liability. Remember it. Now see, we had two liabilities, creditors and bills payable. If nothing is mentioned in the problem, what are you supposed to do? You are supposed to pay the book value to the creditor. See, business के अंदर हमें पैसा आए या ना आए चलेगा, but दूसरों को हम पैसा देके हमारी ईमानदारी बराबर से रखेंगे. So here it will come as to cash account. Remember it. बोला गया है कि नहीं बोला गया है, आपको ये चीजें पे ऑफ करनी है. So creditors को पे ऑफ करने के लिए हम लोग क्रेडिटर्स कितना है देखो ऊपर ही लिखा है 18,400. बिल्स पेएबल आई विल पे ऑफ. बिल्स पेएबल इज 5,600. अब ये दोनों का मैं टोटल करूंगी. सो मेरा कितना आ रहा है देखो, आप लोग टोटल करो. बच्चों आप लोग को टोटलिंग करते रहना है साइमल्टेनियसली. मैं हर प्रॉब्लम में ये बात बता रही हूँ. 18,000 प्लस 5,600. सो आपका टोटल आ रहा है, ओके सॉरी, 18,400 प्लस 5,600. तो आपका टोटल आ रहा है 24,000. सो आपने लाइबिलिटी पे ऑफ कर दी 24,000. ओके. सो नेक्स्ट कॉलम, next entry will go in cash. You will write here again by realization. आपने पेमेंट किया इसलिए देखो वो by realization अकाउंट में आता है. जब भी पेमेंट होगा तो रियलाइजेशन के क्रेडिट में आएगा, और अगर बिजनेस में पैसा आएगा तो डेबिट में आएगा. नाउ बाय दिस वी हैव कंप्लीटेड ऑल द थिंग इन द प्रॉब्लम. नाउ आपको क्या करना है मालूम है? सबसे पहले आपको रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट क्लोज करना है. नाउ रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट का जब हम टोटलिंग करते हैं, यू नो हम लोग रफ में हमेशा करेंगे, तो यहाँ पे मैं रफ में टोटलिंग करती हूँ. देखते हैं हमारा डेबिट साइड में क्या टोटल है. वो बिल्स यू नो क्रेडिटर्स का है 18,400. फिर हमने प्लस किया 5,600 प्लस 1,27,200 प्लस 10,000. यू नो पेंसिल से आप यहाँ पे ये टोटल 2 मिनट के लिए लिख सकते हो. कितना है आपका टोटल? Yes, total is 1 lakh. Hello. So what are we going to do? We are going to write this total in the pencil here. So what was my total? 1,61,200. So I write 1,61,200. I'll also do my debit card total now, bachcho. Now see, what is my debit card total? Yes, 1,60,000 plus 2,000 plus 24,000. Now this is coming to 1,86,000. See, this is, I'm just writing in pencil. You have to rub this on later on. So this is coming to 1,86,000. Now you can see this. 1,86 is bigger than 1,61,000. So in the last line, I'm going to write here 1,86,000. So here also it will come as 1,86,000. So what are you going to do? You're going to minus debit from the credit. So debit total is 1,86,000. Credit total is 1,61,200. So the difference comes to 24,800. So you are having a loss of 24,800. Getting me? 24,800 is your loss. जैसे ही हमने ये लॉस कैलकुलेट किया, हम ये इसे रब कर देंगे. रब करने का रीजन है कि हमने यहाँ पे इसलिए किया कि हमें पता नहीं था कि which is bigger, debit side is bigger or credit side is bigger. So here you are going to have this is going to be distributed among partners. Remember it. So you're going to write here by capital account. Okay, bachcho, by capital account. Who are the two partners? Yes, tell me the name of the partners. Ganesh and Karthik. And what was the profit sharing ratio? It was equally. Yes, what was my profit sharing ratio? Equally. Equally matlab this 24,200 you will divide it by 2. When you divide by 2 you get the answer 12,400. So both the partners will get 12,400. 12,400. Now this is the loss. The loss is going to be shared by both the partners. Okay, so this will come in partners capital account. So here you're going to write it, the loss distributed among the partners to realization account. Okay, what is the loss? This person is getting 12,400. This person is getting 12,400. By just saying roughly, I can say that my credit side is bigger. So I'll make a credit card total. 80 plus 10 is 90,000. 40 plus 50, this is 10 is 50,000. So I'll minus this from this. Yes, so I'll write here 90,000 and here I'll write here 50,000. See, whatever is the balance will go in cash account. Remember it. Why it will go in cash account? Because we are closing down the business. Now no longer we are a partner. So whatever is the difference will be given in cash account. So 90,000 minus 12,400. You get 90,000 minus 12,400. So you get 77,600. So here you're going to write 77,600. The other partner, it is 50,000 minus 10,000 minus 12,400. So your total comes to 27,600. So here you will have 27,600. So last you are going to write here 2 cash account. Okay, now this will go in cash account. So in cash account it will come as by Ganesh capital account. Yes, Ganesh is getting 27,600 by Karthik capital account. Karthik is getting 77,600. Now you'll do the totaling, that is the final totaling, and your cash accounts should tally. If the cash account is telling, then only your problem is correct. 2,000 plus 24,000 plus 27,600 plus 77,600. So this comes to 1,31,200. Okay, and here, okay, I think 27 plus 4 is 31 only. So it is 1,31,200. So by this, we have completed the whole problem. I think this was a simple problem and you might have understood it. Okay. Thank you for listening patiently. Have a good day ahead. And बच्चों, again I'll repeat the one same thing that I repeat every time, is that you are supposed to practice along with us. If you're not able to do along with us, make it a habit. After seeing a video, sit again and solve the problem by yourself. So if there is any doubt, it might be solved in the another videos, or you can write the doubts and keep it to you. When the college reopens, you can come and directly talk to me and clear your doubts. Chalo, have a good day.